Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to be planning the week of August 8th in my 7x9 Erin Condren Life Planner. I'm using a sticker kit by Cottage Bleu. This is sticker kit 49. I'm starting out by taking these beautiful summer-inspired decorative boxes, placing those in the middle. I don't use that middle band of boxes for functional stickers, just for the decorative. This sticker kit really spoke to me. It has a hat for summer, some butterflies, and it just, Cottage Bleu, the name of the shop, really fit this particular sticker kit. I just thought it was really pretty. I'm taking out my functional stickers. So these are stickers, some I've made myself and others that I had made by Monica over at Romoplans. And next I'm going to put the date headers up at the top, and to cover up the printed dates. I really like the way this printed and cut out. It was not, just a regular box. It had some very interesting detail on the ends, the way that these date headers printed out. So now I'm just going to put the date dots up at the top. Decided not to use tweezers today and just use my hands because I couldn't find my tweezers anyway. Next, I'm going to put the bottom washi down at the bottom of the planner. I don't have a whole lot going on this week, and so I didn't mind covering up part of that bottom row of boxes. I have felt really overwhelmed with the amount of commitments that I've had over these last few weeks, and I've just decided to scale back quite a bit on the number of commitments that I have, and I'm trying to refocus my efforts and try to not overcommit myself. So this top box, I am using these little, I guess they're quarter boxes. Some of them are square shaped and others are look almost kind of like a picture frame. And I'm going to use the lists on the weekends so that I can track what videos I film and maybe even a to-do list. My weekly planner is really just an overview so I can get an idea of what's going on during the week. But my Erin Condren Daily Duo, which is an A5, that is my go-to planner. So I use this weekly spread to help me see at a glance what's going on, but my daily planning is really what I use the most. So next I'm going to go ahead and just put I put some check boxes for maybe a task each day. I want to try to do a little bit of cleaning each day so that I don't feel super overwhelmed by the amount of cleaning that needs to be done during the weekend. So I also end up pulling up that sticker that I put on Sunday, that little check box. I'm going to replace that with a list so that I can keep track of what videos I need to film on the weekends. So far, I like the way this looks. I love the colors that are in this spread. They're very calm and not muted, but just a really nice, cool blue pattern and color scheme, which I am really enjoying. So I'm just trying to fill the page, and now I'm going to put to film up at the top of those check boxes so that I can kind of keep up with what I need to film on the weekend. I'm going to put that I'm on call on Monday. I have to work as well, and I'm working all week this week. I work 7 to 3 during the weekdays, and Mondays are my on-call day. And now I'm going to put my meetings that I have. I have decided to scale back and go to my meeting Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for 2 hours, and then a meeting on Thursday, which is 1 hour long. So now I'm going to put another checklist on Sunday just so I can keep up with what I need to film. I'm going to try to do all my filming on the weekends so that I'm not scrambling during the week, trying to make sure that I have content each day. And I think the weekends is the perfect time to get that done. So right now it is, I think, Tuesday morning. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing this voiceover, and I realized that I didn't have anything uploaded for the week. I really took it easy this weekend. I visited with my parents and just took some time for myself and put my Etsy shop on vacation mode so that I can get caught up on everything that I've got going on. But I think that I have everything down that I planned to do on this particular spread. Thanks so much for watching.